Hello everyone, my name is Kamran, and in this video I am going to explain how we increased the traffic of our website from 30 clicks per day to 350 clicks per day, and we did this in 3 months, and this is our SEO case study. So let's get started. So here is the search console of this website, and here is the last 3 months traffic, number of clicks. So let's change this to 6 months and apply. And please keep in mind, this is not a new blog. This is basically a home decor blog, and this is not new. This website is already getting traffic, and what we observed in the website is there is a specific subfolder in the website where we found some opportunities in the SERPs, and we believe that we can increase and we should perform some SEO tests, and we did those and we got really good results. So here you can see the date. This is 17th and Sunday. So, and this is 17th, and okay, so let's move to our case study. So what we did is we found some opportunities while doing the sub analysis for the keywords which we are targeting for those particular URLs. So the first thing we found is our main keyword is not properly aligned with the H1 and meta title, meta description. So we did first test with this particular thing. We changed those meta titles and H1 and made them really aligned with the keyword. The next thing is we added a number. Third thing is we added an year in the brackets. And the last thing, current month plus indexing date or date modification change. And this particular change increased our number of clicks from 200 to 300 in just a week. This particular change did a very well performance and increase in number of clicks. So let's start. So the first thing is, as I already shared, that H1 and the meta titles, and we analyzed search console queries of these particular pages, and what we found that our main keyword is not aligned. So we changed those meta titles and meta descriptions and H1 and made them aligned with the keyword to properly serve the buyer's search intent. That's the thing. So what we did is on you can say on the last of May, on 25 to 30th May, this is where we did this particular change, and we were getting something around 10 clicks. Let's move to the search console, and this is mid of the May, and here you can see the number of clicks around 10, mostly the 10 on average, 10 to 11 clicks. And here we applied this particular change, and our traffic is getting increased from, you can say, on the 15th we are getting around 15 number of clicks to 15, 16. That's it, where we got in first increase in the traffic. This is the impressions tab. Let me click here. Okay, so let's move towards the next thing. This is adding a number. While doing the sub analysis, I checked there are few competitors who added a number in the start, and we did the same. We added 300 plus. So this is just an example. This is not from our website. So you can see. Let's consider it. This is the main keyword, home decor ideas. Here I added a you must check, where this thing ignite a user to click to really know what's inside. And this is where we added the second chain and adding a number 300 plus, and this thing really worked, and we got a number of clicks increased from 10 to 35. And this is where we got some, this is the point after the July, and here we are getting these number of clicks. You can see that. Let's move towards the next thing, which is adding a number, adding an year. So we added an year. You can see here 300 plus home decor ideas. You must check, and added the year in the brackets, and which really is something unique in the subs. Only two or three competitors had done this, and our number of clicks were really increased from this change. And you can see that here before the August, you can see we are around on average 50 to 60 clicks per day after this particular change. So at the last change which we did is adding a number, adding the current month, and change the indexation date or indexing date, whatever we call it. So by the way, I really want to give a shout out to Salman bhai, who to whom I learned this strategy. He shared this thing in a workshop where he shared his particular case study, which is featured in Brian Dean's blog back in some time. So what we actually did is 300 plus home decor ideas you must check, and we added current month in the meta title, in the meta description, and somewhere in the content. So what we did, we changed whatever we changed on the SERPs is aligned with the content of the page. So this is the last change which we did, and this change we did in the first of the September. Here is the first of September, and we were around 200 clicks to on every 200 clicks you can see on September, on first of in the first week of September, and on 9th of September our number of clicks really got increased from 210 to 306. You can see 100 clicks per day, really a good number. So this was the our last change. And what made us really separate from other people is that our indexing date is really changed. No one else content is being indexed in August. The last indexing date which I checked with our competitors is it was around March, and there is one competitor who did this thing, who added 2023 in the meta title, but their indexation date is from December 2022. That's another red flag, and for me this is an opportunity. So at this point our number of clicks increased from, you can see, 202 to I took the screenshot on last day from 16th, and that's why here you can see it's 14th. But now you can see that the latest results are from 15th of September, and we are at 389 clicks per day. So let's move towards comparison analysis. Change this from 3 months. Yes, okay, 3 months is fine. So I am comparing 3 months with the previous 3 months results, and you can see our every position is increased, CTR is increased, total impressions are increased, and the number of clicks are also increased. So let's come back here. Meanwhile this is getting loaded. So this is our at this point we really increased the number of clicks from 200 to 350, as you can see that. And I am now creating this video. What I will do is, after this video I will upload on the YouTube channel and embed this video at this particular point. So let's move towards the quick recap. Before the recap, I wanted to here mention Ahrefs' latest case study of top technical SEO issues, and where Patrick Stokes really did a good job with this thing. You can see that meta title, meta description tag is missing 72%, almost 73% websites were missing this particular thing, meta description tag, or empty tag. Or I can see if there is a meta title or meta description tag, it is not aligned with the H1 tag of the page. So here you can see 59.5% websites are missing H1 tag. So I mainly played with these particular things with the SERP and H1. And mostly people say that these are not technical issues, and I don't know it's technical or not, but these things really work for me. Let's move toward this thing. Why this is too slow today? So here are our results. We increased our average position from 21 to 11, and CTR from 1.9 to 2.9%. And you can see the number of clicks, 528 to 9,000 clicks, and that's really a big number for us. And here you can see a comparison. You can see, hey please load. Okay, this is our day two. You can see those number of clicks, and we increase this traffic to this particular point. And here you can see we are at around 389, sorry, we are at 389 number of clicks per day, and previously we were at 17 clicks per day at this point. So let's get back to our case study. So quick recap. The first change, H1 title, meta description, and meta title. We aligned this thing, added a number in the meta title, added the current year, and the last thing which really worked for us is the month, adding the current month, year, and change the indexation date. What's the next plan? with this website. So while doing the competitor analysis, what I found two more opportunities are entities are not present in in our current content, or we can say that we are lacking the entities. We analyze the entities of our competitors and we check that we are really missing a few of them, so we will add them in the content, not add it currently. And the next thing is we can add entity based schema markup on this particular urls where it get applied. It will maybe not apply on every url, but whenever it or wherever it is, it can be applied, we will definitely apply that. And this particular thing, schema markup thing, is really missing from the SERPs. So I believe we can really double down this traffic in the next 1 month, and I will share in the next video. So that's the end of this particular case study. So in case if you don't know me, my name is Kamran. I am a proud husband and a fitness enthusiast, and I help e-commerce brands to increase their organic traffic and organic sales dollars. So that's it for now. I hope you like this case study. If you are watching this video, you can do a comment. If you are reading this case study on LinkedIn, please do share your comments, or if you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section, or you can obviously DM me. So bye bye guys, and thank you so much for watching this video.